Welcome back in this Flutter course. Okay, right now I will explain you what is the difference between Android Studio and Visual Studio Code. If you already know the difference, then you can move on. Otherwise, I will just tell you what is the difference and what is my preferences and which one you should use. For Flutter, you can use both of them. Honestly, I think Android Studio is more complete with Flutter. The thing is, Android Studio take a lot of computer power. Okay, that means if your computer is not the best computer ever, it will be very hard to run the Android Studio and run the emulator at the same time. In the other end, Visual Studio is very light, so it's very easy to run Visual Studio inside a bad computer. And also, Visual Studio have what we call extensions. So if you remember, in the installation, we add these plugins. So I will show you all plugins I have in case you want to pause and use the same plugin, like this. This is the most important at the start. I will go very slowly, but I will continue to talk. So Visual Studio, in my opinion, is better because first, it's very light. And for any computer, you will be able to use this. And also they have extensions, like a lot of good extensions, and Android Studio don't have them. But it's your preference. If you want to, both of them, you can code with Flutter. Those are just like box where you put text to code and build something. So you can use both of them. In this course, we will most of the time use Visual Studio. Maybe we will use Android Studio sometime, but it's absolutely the same thing. It's just to build code. Good. So what we will do in the next video, we will start the emulator because we need to start the emulator of our new project, and we need to maybe learn a little bit about Flutter because the name of this course is Flutter Basics. See you in the next one. Bye.